I removed the seeds from the tomato in the Whopper Jr. and let them dry for about 2 weeks. After the seeds had dried, I placed soil on top of them and waited for the magic to happen, which was about 10 days. I had another group of seeds that I put in a wet paper towel and placed inside of a plastic bag to germinate and sprout. If you choose to subscribe, just be warned, my content is continuously changing. So if you're looking for the same thing all the time, it may not happen very often. For those of you who are subscribed, thank you and good luck.
The seeds that were in the wet paper towel and placed in the plastic bag germinated and sprouted, and I placed them in this container. All right, so it's finally starting to warm up outside, so I'm going to go ahead and transfer these tomatoes into some pots and see what happens. So there you have it, tomatoes from a Whopper Jr., or any other fast food for that matter. If you don't have access to seeds, but you have access to fast food, you can still have a garden.